something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try.
Guys, we are nearly there in Mount Ainslie Lookout. It looks like the Blue Mountains near my place. It reminds me of the Blue Mountains, look. And it's a beautiful day today. It's not that windy, but it's cold. It's 10 degrees here in Canberra. Look, puti anak ko eh. I think we're going to see the whole Canberra in this lookout. Never been here before, but it looks like the Blue Mountains. We're here, Mount Ainslie Lookout. Wow, look at that.
Again. No, don't hold back, take it far.
Hi guys, we are in Mount Ainslie Lookout in this freezing morning on a Sunday. 10 degrees.
You and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arms.
So that was the Mount Ainslie. Now we are going to a different place.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
Hi guys, now we are in LENNOX Gardens, Beijing Gardens, here in Canberra. So let's go and check it out, what they've got here. But it's nothing here, it's all skeleton, the trees, there's no leaves because it's winter. So we're going to see what kind of flowers they have here. Look. It's Canberra Beijing Garden, Canberra Nara Peace Park. Yan here. Oh, there's no leaves. It's winter. It's cold here today. It's about 9 degrees. It's windy as well. Whew.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I tip. You don't need a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying.
Oh, wala na yung mga dahon ang mga kahoy diri oh. Dry na kaayo murag sa imong uyab ba. Sa imong partner na dry kaayo wala lami. What? You can do picnic here and barbecue with your family and friends.
Do you seem to call in your I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
You worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do my worst.